Hello, this is Buck Woolley, the DW Extreme Guy. This is the first video in a series where I will show the results and techniques used to migrate advanced dynamic data window functionalities from the traditional Windows environment to a tablet using Appeon for Powerbuilder 2.0. This first video is an introduction to the original task of migrating the Windows-based planner data window control to an iPad, in this case an iPad Mini Retina. So let's get started. So this is the Windows-based planner demo application. Across the top there's a time interval, in this case monthly. Down the left-hand side you see entities of some sort, in this case instructors. Each cell represents a single interval of time. And the bars are tasks applied to each of the entities for a period of time. So let's go over some of the goals I have in mind for this project. First is to preserve the layout and functionality as much as possible. Examples of this include preserving the application layout, tree view lists, drawing and manipulating visual objects, grid resolution, and displaying multiple plan windows in a work area and connecting to a relational database. Second is to modify those features that are either not supported on a tablet device or features that can take advantage of the tablet interface. Examples include menus, drop-down menus, and finding an alternative to using a mouse for user interaction. This is the basic layout. A tree view data window is on the left, the main work area is in the center, and there's a report area at the bottom. Cells should be the same size on all devices in order to have a consistent display of the data. The tree view data window is used to display tasks that can be applied to the planner. It should work the same way on a tablet. Using the mouse, selected tasks are drawn onto the planner. It should also be possible to move and copy tasks with the mouse. The planner window exists in a work area where it can be moved around. Also, multiple plans can be displayed in the work area. I will show this by drilling down into a single week. There are menu options that let me arrange the plans horizontally and vertically. So let's see how it looks on the iPad Mini. You have the same tree view data window on the left, the main work area in the center, and the report area at the bottom. The cells are exactly the same size as the Windows version. The tree view data window works exactly the same. You select a task with your finger. Then using your finger and a virtual mouse, you draw the tasks onto the planner. I will go more into detail of how this works in a future video. The move and copy functions are also available. The function options have been moved to the right side of the screen. So on the iPad, the same work area exists. And I can drill down into 1 week and open a second planner. I also have options to reformat the planners either horizontally or vertically. In summary, I think all the main features were migrated from the Windows version to the iPad version. I just want to mention that I think Appeon has done a great job. The next video will be about the virtual mouse. As you can see, the resolution is far too small for finger swiping. So instead, I created a virtual mouse that is used for adding objects to the planner. The virtual mouse looks quite small, but it's easy to manipulate on the small screen of an iPad Mini. To access some of my Powerbuilder presentations, please connect with me on LinkedIn. I hope you enjoyed this demo. I plan to have the next one out in a few weeks.